This was no time for play. This was no time for fun. This was no time for games. There was work to be done. All that deep snow, all that snow had to go. When your mother went down to the town for the day, she said, somebody has to clean all this away. Somebody has to, you see. Then you picked out two somebody's Sally and me. Well, there we were. We were working like that, and then who should come back? Come up. But the cat in the hat. Oh, Sally said, don't you take to that cat. That cat is a bad one. That cat is the hat. He plays lots of bad tricks. Don't you let him come near. You know what he did the last time he was here.